Hey guys, it's Ginger. So I am super late to getting this collection swatched for you. I am so sorry. It's been crazy. It's the end of the year. All the end of the year school stuff is going on, and I swear the older my daughter gets, the busier I get. So everything has been crazy, but I'm going to just go ahead and swatch these for you. I'm not going to do any comparisons. I'm definitely going to swatch them for you so you can see what they look like. I'm going to pull the cat eye on them. They are so beautiful. So this is more of like a bright, not neon, but more of a bright summery cat eye. And I've been using these a ton. They are so beautiful. You can put them over other colors. This one is Sweet Candy. It is the brightest pink in the collection. It's like a Barbie bubblegummy pinky color. It's so pretty. But like I said, you could put these over other colors if you want, but they are fairly pigmented on their own, so you don't have to put them over something. I generally use one coat of this on my clients, and then I pull the cat eye and we just go with that because it's just so pretty. So this is how most of my clients like their cat eyes pulled, to where it's like velvety and you get like a 3D-ish look. I'm gonna use this magnet. That one is very strong. Okay, so like that, you can pull them like so. I feel like these ones being so, what's the word? Fine in particles, the magnetic particles, they're like harder to get like more of a line, if that makes sense. But once I pull the cat eye where I want it, I will immediately have my client put their hand into the light. That way it holds that magnetic design that we are wanting, and I'll do like one finger at a time and we'll just go back and forth that way. So, but like I said, most of my clients really like this like pulled up, and these look so cool with a chrome over top of them. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. So that one is Sweet Candy. Let me get this where I like it, and then I'm gonna pop it in the light here, and then we'll do the next one. So like one coat on these is great. You really don't need multiple. Citrus Dream, beautiful orange. These will also translate well into Halloween. So I don't think I do a lot of cat eyes for Halloween. So those would be very fun. You could like layer it over another color and then pull your cat eye. Like cat eyes are so much fun because there's so many things you can do with them. But look at that beautiful shine on that. Looks so 3D. So cool. That one is Citrus Dream. Like I said, I'm just gonna swatch these really quick for you. Cherished Rose. It's one of these two. This one. So there's two that's kind of similar. One's more pinky, one's a little bit more purple. Cherished Rose is a little bit more pinky purple color. And the other one I think is Sweet Peony. I don't think we have anything close to this. I will look. If we have anything close, I'll show you the comparisons, but I think these are very unique to the new cat eye style that they've been launching. There's nothing this color. So this collection is fantastic. Again, I'm so sorry. I am so late to the party on getting these swatched for you guys, but things have been crazy. I have the new June collection. I'm going to swatch that and do the comparisons for sure and show you guys those ones. They are beautiful. This is the Sweet Peony color. This one is the most purple in the bunch. I have used these, oops, too much, a ton, and I do have pictures on Instagram of sets I've done using these. Lots of cat eye and chrome. I love cat eye and chrome. And this one has been probably, no, this one has been the most popular color, Sweet Candy, because it's like the brightest in the collection. Oh, look at that. Look at that shine come up. I just love them. So pretty. And two more. Lime flavor. Yes. A nice bright green. Again, the green and that last one, that Sweet Peony, that purple. You know, you could translate those into Halloween pretty well. Be fun. This would be a good slimy color. It's also just great for summer too. I love seeing the like the 3D fruit nails with the cat eyes, and then it makes it look even more dimensional. I think that is so much fun. You do some cool limes with this. That would be really neat. And, ooh, that glows in the light. Goodness. Last but not least, what is this one called? Serene Sky. So this one's kind of like a turquoisey teal color. I thought it was green at first. I'm like, no, that's got some blue to it. What do you think? Turquoise or teal? Somewhere in between, honestly. It's a very pretty color. I like this one a lot. Now this one would be great for like your beach nails, your aqua mermaidy situation. Oh, look how pretty. Look at that. Stunning. I love that one a lot. Okay. So here are the three like pinky purples. This is Sweet Candy, Cherished Rose, and Sweet Peony. So the brightest to the darkest, I suppose. Grab them here so you can see them better. So pretty. Like I said, these two are fairly similar, but this one's much brighter. Very cool. And then we've got the green, orange, and teal. These would be pretty together as well. But there is the whole collection, you guys. Like I said, we do not have anything like this. These are so much brighter than anything we've seen for the cat eyes, and they are stunning. So as always, you know, you guys can save 30% with my code. You can sign up to be a VIP and save 50%. And if you guys ever want to see two colors side by side, like, hey, Ginger, what's lime flavor and Serene Sky look like next to each other? Are they the same color? Nope, they're not. I'll send you a picture like so. I try to get back to those messages as quickly as possible. So yeah, if you guys ever want to see anything, just message me over on Instagram at Ginger Sparks, and I am happy to do that. So that is the newest cat eye collection. I hope you guys have picked this one up. Like I said, I'm really late, so I don't know if they're sold out or not, but pick this one up if you haven't. If it's still available, it is a great cat eye collection. So much fun. So have fun with your cat eyes, guys, and I will see you back very, very soon in just a few days with the new June collection. It's beautiful. You don't want to miss it. All right. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.